Hi, this is Tom from Roaming Tom, and we are going to head on the SkyRide here. Not sure how much it costs, but I'm excited. We've been trying to do this for a couple years, so hopefully this is a lot of fun. Yeah. This is the little ticket you get. All right. I feel like I'm gonna mess this up.
Yep.
Yep.
We did it.
Yeah.
Hey. Ow!
Are you all right?
Yeah, I didn't get my feet in the air. Didn't go up fast enough.
Scoot over a little. Wow, we're still not taller than the Coliseum, though. Goes a lot quicker than I thought.
Over there. He's got her hands up.
Yeah. Let's hope not.
I got to do all the cool stuff that I always want to do, but nobody ever wants to do. Now we can take the tractor back up past here.
Yeah. Ball State University sponsors this.
Yes, sir.
That was cool seeing the cows in there.
Yeah.
Got some art stuff in the one behind us.
Got a present for the wife.
There's the important one with racing. Indiana Dairy Association. Winners drink milk. 50-cent milk, chocolate milk. If anyone's watching. Yeah. Might have to get 3. I might overspend, but well, that's cool. That one looks like a log cabin right there.
Oh, yeah, that's cute.
Like one you make as a kid.
That's the corner.
Yeah.
Another fried Oreo place.
I haven't had it. I need to try it.
Well, you got to get the orange one. I thought that was good. It was
The orange one?
Good, yes.
Oh, the creamsicle?
The creamsicle was actually good.
Yeah. I have to tell you, that the Indiana Dairy Association, that was pretty good.
That's the best thing.
And it wasn't expensive.
Now, we didn't go to the beer place.
Yet.
Yeah. No, I'm not going.
No, me too. I heard the fried pickles here are really good.
Yeah. Oh, damn it, what happened to my phone? Okay.
And this is where they used to do the Hoosier 100. Now it just looks like it's parking.
Pretty much.
Oh, it's sad. That was a great track. That was fun in Terre Haute.
Mile track, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Look at the 2-story, not Ferris, merry-go-round.
Merry-go-round.
Wow. That is just so cool. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that. You can really see it. Oh, this would have been a great track to go see. Maybe we can talk. Yeah, that's the problem. Dear Indiana, if you're watching this, bring back the Hoosier 100.
Yeah, asphalt the track at least.
Yeah. Ooh, where's that?
There.
Oh.
You have to walk along there.
Not really, the stop's right there. Heroes.
That's where I got my hero.
Yeah.
Good too. Wasn't bad. Wasn't probably as good as the one around the corner, but it wasn't bad.
I wonder if they have stats on like how much soda they go through, water they go through. A calm early day here at the track, or not track, the fair. I've been doing too many racing things. Well, technically we're at a track, just not a retired track. Yeah, I can never get my mom up here. She's afraid of heights. The stuff we do with Anakisa, I had a...
How's that beard?
Yeah.
How's your beard?
So roughly, what, $10 to ride up here,
Yeah.
tactically. We had to buy $12 worth of credits, but... Yeah. Well, must have repaved everything here, too. Mini Donut Factory. I saw that last year. It was a cold day. I think I was here in...
There was a lady with a trailer that did that.
Yeah. There's the Ferris wheel in the distance. Ooh, the slushy factory down there. There's a couple of those.
Yeah, looks like that one.
What I should have done for the channel is have an I Spy or like a bingo card.
That's quite a selfie stick down there.
Wow, yeah.
I think I heard someone that big.
So usually they don't allow that size.
That's crazy.
Didn't they know they just had to ride this? Wow. Well, this is nice.
Oh my God, there's my daughter's place right there. Funnel cake. And what? It's got
Oh, those are great. I love funnel cakes. You don't like them?
They're okay.
Like, I wouldn't want more than one. Honestly, recently, that's all I would want, but... So Dollywood has a bunch of them as well. I think they are. So it's about a 10-minute ride then.
Yeah, not bad. $1 a minute.
Yeah. Oh, he has to unlock us. Let's see how this
The little
films.
girl can get off, I can get off.
I'm worried about me. We did it. Thank you.
Now I gotta walk back up.
Yeah. Yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you guys soon.